Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So we are continuing on the JPA specifications playlist. Okay, so in our previous video we have seen the introduction on how we can get this, specifications from the input and how we can apply this criteria between two dates and also from the results how we can sort it, and also we have seen the pagination concept as well. Now, if we go to the service layer, and what are the specifications we have handled. So between we have handled and we have handled equal, right? So now in this video, a small demo how we can do the like we are going to see. Okay, so so let's get started here. So I have something like this where get employee specifications by like. Okay, and how we are getting the input, we are getting the input from this bin having column names and value. So my column name is going to be dynamic and the like operation will be applied based on the value, and other things are also be there in the bin, like what how to perform the sort and the pagination. Okay, so if we go here, here we have this method, right? So just apply return and do control alt. Okay, if you do control alt here, you could get this method, right? So which is nothing but the lambda expression here, right? So we have criteria builder dot there is an operation called like. Yes, in this like operation, you simply get the column name, and for the like operation, we need to perform the value, right? Before doing that, you simply need to take these two things. Okay, so like the beginning as well as the end. That's it. This is the value is coming from input dot get value. That's it. Okay. Anything else we are missing out? So yeah, here root dot get, on this column we are performing the like. Right now it's fine. Root dot get column name we are getting from input and we are passing the value. Okay, cool. We have the service method almost ready here. Okay, simply use something like list of employee details and get employee by like. Okay, and pass the input. Then from here, we can simply call the above method. Let me take it as a private access specifier and keep this as a public so that I can use this method as part of the controller, and this method is only within this class. Okay, cool. Now let's get that specification object. Okay, specification of employee, like EMP specification here by calling the above method, right? Get employee specification by like, and I'm passing my input. Cool, nice. Now this specification I need to pass it to my repo. Where is the repo? Employee repo. Okay, this is the repo. Okay, and here simply use find all of employee specification, right? This should be it. This I can return it directly. Okay, so employee, what is there? If you watch my previous videos, you could see here employee bean is having name, ID, salary, date of joining, of date type, and the skill. Skill is of enum type. Okay, cool. Now let's go and write a get mapping here. Let me copy paste the above one. and by like I can take by like operation. Okay, and I am taking request body as an input. uh, in request body we are taking the input here, and employee service I have it right, and here simply call our method like employee by name by passing input. Here I don't need this pass exception, so I can remove it. Okay, cool. This is our application up. So let me keep the main method starting. Okay, so I have started the main method here. In the meantime, let it get run. Let's prepare our postman call. I have started the postman. In the meantime, let's see where our application is build is happening, guys. And also one more thing I would like to tell you is all the source code is available in this repo, criteria specifications repo, where I'm going to put this in a description so that it's easy for you guys. Okay, now you could see it is okay. There is something missing. Okay, okay, I don't need this. Cool, no issues. Now let's run our main method again. Now employee controller, what is my endpoint? By like is my endpoint. Then open this your postman, and my application is running at 9011, right? So I have this, and the body I have this. Okay, let's prepare that column names data based on the data. I have my H2 console up and running. Here for this example, I'm using H2 console, guys. So H2 database here. So 9011 H2 console password. Then go to the employee object, and you have this set. So let's use name column and filter based on the like. Okay, so column name is name, and the value is, let's give as Sai. Okay, and as of now I don't need other columns, so let's keep like this. And if you send this, okay, we got only one data, which is we got it as a Sainath, right? Let me send Ram. Here we should get two values here, so let me send Ram. Click on the send. You should get two, right? Cool. Now let's perform some other, like salary. We'll take salary. Salary. Okay, let me pass something like 300 and see. Okay, because this is a number, right? I don't think it is performing the like there, because it is an integer, right? So that won't be good. Now you could see number format exception we are getting. That's okay, because salary is number type I have here, right? Let me take like uh, let me take date and see whether we'll get the date some number format exception. That also we'll see. I mean date format exception. Doj, let me pass something like 2015. Now you could see one record, two records, we got it. Okay, cool, nice. Now let me take skill and see. Skill, let me pass one. No records. Let me pass two. No records. Okay. Let me take something like what is a skill? Skill is of enum type here. Let me pass something called maths, math. Okay. Click on send. Okay. 1, maybe for enum, right? I don't think this is a way to pass it, but yeah, I think you understood the purpose, right? What we are doing with the help of the like in the JPA specifications, right? Yeah, that's it from this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me, Karthik.